Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Minecraft 1.17a JNI error has occurred on your face, and check your installation and try again later error and how you can completely fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to close your TLauncher. This is the first thing what you have to do, and you have to follow the instruction. You just have to follow the instructions. So I'll be following the instructions to take you to this. From here, what you have to do is just have to download the respective file according to your Windows. For example, if it's Windows 64, you just have to select Windows 64 compressed archive, which is around 168.7. You just have to download this because I have already downloaded this. So what you have to do is just have to download this one. And once after it's been downloaded, you just have to select your respective you just have to navigate to the folder where it is. So as you can see that I have downloaded this successfully, so I skipped that part. So you just have to open this folder. So and you just have to do the extract, and here as you can see that I have already extracted. Once it is done, I have to copy this and I have to minimize this. I have to close this. Then I have to select this PC. I have to select this PC and I have to go to local disk C. Now from here I have to select program files, and from here what I have to do is I have to find Java folder over here. I have to find Java folder. Then from here I have to paste it. You just have to paste it because I have already pasted here. As you can see that I have already pasted. And once it is done, what you have to do is just have to close this. Okay, once after being successfully done, you just have to paste the folder. You just have to open the TLauncher over here. You just have to open this and you have to click on the settings over here, and you have to click on the settings. Now from here there is an option called browse. So you just have to click this, and from here you have to navigate to this PC, and now you have to select local disk C, and from here you just have to select program files. You have to select program files, and you have to go to the Java folder over here. You have to find the Java folder. So you have to find the Java folder. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to open the folder which is pasted, which I mentioned, the 64-bit which you have extracted and pasted. You just have to open this. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to open this one, and you just have to open this up, and once it is done, what you have to do is you just have to click over there on the save. Most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.